Hello friends, welcome to Special Treat Recipes. Looking at the treat, it's so tempting. Without making any delay, we shall begin by making a variety of juices. Let us begin first with watermelon juice. To make watermelon juice, I have taken small pieces of watermelon, made it seedless, and then put this in a jar. Salt as per the taste and half teaspoon the taste maker which will add really taste to this, that is chaat masala. In the blender, make a nice puree of it. Make sure that there are no lumps left in it. Take it out in a vessel. There are no lumps left, no seeds. And now serve it as required. Since I had taken chilled pieces of watermelon, I can serve it directly. Mint leaves. Moving to the next recipe, muskmelon juice. Making muskmelon juice, I have sliced the melon into small pieces, cube size pieces. Put them in the blender jar. Add half glass of water. No need to add any sugar. Melons are sweet these days. And blend it. Freeze it. And it will be ready to serve. Nice cool juice is ready to be served. Wow, yummy. Muskmelon milkshake. To make this, I have chopped some melon pieces, 1 cup of milk and vanilla essence for flavor. Since I don't have ice cream, I have taken vanilla essence. If you have vanilla ice cream, you can go for it. Add 1 cup of milk. Add 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. Blend vessel and let it freeze for some time, and then it is ready to be served. Didn't add any sugar in this. It is absolutely optional. If you need, you can add, but since it is a milkshake and with vanilla essence, it will give you an ice cream taste. This is for all the kids now. As we all know that kids are fond of popsicles, I'm going to pour this in a popsicle tray. Close it and put it in the deep fridge undisturbed for 5 hours around. After 6 to 7 hours, our popsicles are ready. Just twist them. Lovely, see. Your kids will definitely enjoy it. Let's go to the fourth type of milkshake. I've taken a combination of chickoos and banana. I've chopped them finely with 1 cup of milk. Then in a jar, add milk. No need to add sugar. Chickoos and bananas are always. If required for flavor, you can also add cardamom powder or cardamom. Last type, mango. Mango, you can make a variety out of it. I've taken mangoes, I've sliced it, and now I'm going to make puree out of it. Take it out in a bowl. This mango puree can be used to eat along with our food. Just add 1 spoon in the curd and it will give you a mango taste. Or else you can pour it in the popsicle maker and make popsicles out of it. Or else you can store it in the airtight container and freeze it and use it in the off season. Add milk to it and make a milkshake.